This is my Lexus GS300, and I'm in Southern California, and I bought a diagnostic code reader, and I need to plug it in, and I had a heck of a time finding this port. I'm on the driver's side, which is the left in America, and then I'm underneath the steering wheel. And if you look right above the brake pedal, there's the brake pedal. And then right above the brake pedal, right there, I don't know why they make it so damn hard to find, but right there it is. And there's a little cover. You need to unplug the cover. Of course, I knocked the flashlight over. Wow. Lexus, you could do better than this, man. Why do you make it so damn hard? Alright, there it is. And then, just gonna pop this open. Which apparently I gotta lay underneath it. There it goes, okay. Now you can see it. There's the plug. It's the white plug behind the black cover. And, man, wedge the light right up there so you can see. And now, unbelievable. All right, anyway, you know where it's at. It's right above the brake pedal. Pop that black cover off, and you got it. I'm gonna post this on TikTok and YouTube both.